Today I'm in Minneapolis on 44th Street. It's just a couple blocks from Mississippi River, and I want to show you house, and you will see how it's to live close to the river. I would say it's like 10 minutes walk. If you drive in, it will take you 3 minutes. Majority of people who live in this neighborhood, they like bicycling and hiking, so no necessity to use a car. And very quiet neighborhood. Nice landscaping, freshly done, and blooming bushes. You have also access to the backyard. Beautiful. This house has so many windows, and after long winter, so nice walking by the grass. And this is detached to car garage. And if you want to see how house looks from the backyard, here we are. It also has a second porch and concrete path leading to garage. Good. Now let's explore the house. House was built in 2026. It's brand new construction. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 2-car detached garage. It's highly energy efficient and very modern. It has a beautiful porch, so if it's rain or snow, you're not gonna be wet. Wide porch, easy. You can put like a summer furniture here, or sit and wave your neighbors. Very modern. Let's go and see it inside. Let's open the door. Welcoming entrance. And we're coming into the house. Let's see. Wow. Look at this. Very spacious mudroom with a foyer. Let's open this door. Very spacious closet. Would you like to have closet right next to the entrance? I would. Beautiful flooring. And let's see where we're coming. From the left side, it's an open office. Very nice bright window, and not one, on both walls. You can have a desk and put a couple extra chairs. Stairs leading upstairs. We're not going there yet. Let's explore what we can see on main level. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. It's designed open kitchen flowing to their living room and the dining room. Floor looks very nice. It's oak, natural wood. Lots of natural light here. I love it. Dining room connected to the living room. I would say this is easy place to gather a company of 15-20 people. Electrical fireplace, still giving some heat, and you can change colors. It's overlooking the backyard and detached garage. Let's explore the kitchen. I am very excited. You can see bar area with seating for 4 people. Quartz countertops. Everything is super shiny and new. Lots of cabinets. And it has soft clothing. Electrical range. And went outside. Nice light. Oh, high speed but sounds very quiet. Backsplash tiles. Let's see what is inside of the cabinets. Okay, shelving. Prepare for your groceries. Or what else you like to keep there. Dishwasher is new. Many options in here. Kitchen island also has lots of drawers and soft closed, and plus a microwave. And it's very convenient. If you cook in here, you can wash vegetables or fruits here and cut on the main area, and everything looks different when you have a window on the kitchen. No need to have extra light. And then kitchen connected. Let's guess, it's a pantry. Yep, very nicely organized pantry. Plenty of space. What we missed here? We missed here the mudroom from the back of the house. But if you come in home, usually it will be your entrance. You will be coming from garage through this concrete path to the home, and from left side it's a huge closet, and from the right side it's a great built-in bench and shelving for your gloves or hats or, I don't know, collection of shoes. Half bathroom, great powder room. What else you need? And now let's go to explore upper level. We're walking just few steps. Actually, it's 9 steps up. Oh, it's very soft carpet. What would you like better? Comment, carpet or hardwood floor or vinyl planks. And look at this railing. It's also oak, natural wood. And now we're on the upper level. It's 4 bedrooms on the upper level. Bedroom has a closet. Let's see if it's closet organizer here. It's some shelving. Very spacious. I'm enjoying walking this carpet. And second bedroom. Size of the bedroom very much the same so far, and it's another closet. And the full bath with double sinks and mirror. In this bathroom, natural tiles, and floor is also tiled. Soft close cabinets in here. Vanity, it's also quartz. Very convenient located laundry room on the upper level with a sink, extra cabinets, soft close, energy efficient washer and dryer. Again, house was built in 2026, so everything is new and shiny here. Third bedroom on the upper level. This one is bigger than previous two. Huge window. And now we're going to primary suite. Oh, look at this. How nice it is. It has different kind of lighting above the bed and side lamps. It's connected with built-in closet And you can see closet organizer with all the shelving just ready for you. And it has private bathroom. Double vanity, quartz countertops, 2 mirrors, full tub. Oh, look, super deep, nice. A shower, also with tiles on the wall. And the toilet, very sweet. Toilet having pocket door, so let's pretend it's not a toilet there. And now, all over the place, it's LED lighting on the ceiling. Very high efficient home. Now let's go downstairs. Again, 8 stairs down and another 8 stairs down. Office having a door, so if you work, just can close the door and can entertain here. Beautiful, love this level. Now we're going to the lower level, and it's the same soft carpet. Very pleasant feeling when you walk at this carpet. It has a 5th bedroom on this level. You can see it's a huge egress window. This room also having a closet, nice. Full bath, flooring is tiles. Extra closet, looks like shelving still in progress. Quartz, vanity, soft clothes works, shower with tiles on the wall and tiles on the floor. Now we're closer to the family room, but on the way we can see huge storage room. When you live in Minneapolis, it's not easy to have a huge storage in the house, but this storage room is huge. And then the storage room is going under the stairs and more. So you can collect lots of stuff here, including your Christmas tree. Enough space. Storage room having a door. So if you close it, you're not gonna see all this stuff over there. And now this beautiful, spacious family room. What do you prefer to do in the family room? I would put a pool table in the left corner, and then would make a full like movie room here. Super spacious, and everything is organized. It's a wet bar with nice deep sink, cabinets, soft clothing. I would say this space is ready for beverage refrigerator, or if you wish to have a big one, everything is set from the left side. Lots of space. You can have a hobby room here, playroom, some entertainment. And now we are in utility room. In utility room we can see furnace, air-to-air exchanger. Look at this, copper So nice. And it is sump pump with some basket, water heater, and passive radiant mitigation is also in the house, and electrical is also in this utility room. I believe all these wires is ready for internet because home is fully wired. And now we see our house. Let's slowly come to the main level. On the stairs, it's so nice and bright because except lighting, it's also natural light, and it's a very sunny here. Now let's go and explore garage. Easy to walk through this open space. We're passing again mudroom, and we're going to explore the yard. Spacious yard, new sod, cute bushes. If you wish, you can add your patio. If you have pets, probably grass is better. Open space from both sides. If you wish to find extra parking spot, of course you can remove this grass and prepare it for extra car. I believe you can park here like couple cars or even a boat. Garage also was built in 2026. The size of the garage 22 by 22 feet. One door for the garage. Oh, it's working so quietly. Let's go and see what we can see on the alley, because this is the way to your garage. Yep, very quick access. This is the street, and you just drive in from the street to your garage. Sweet. Let's close the door. And this is the wire ready for electrical outlet for your electrical vehicle, in case if you want. We're closing the door. Very quiet and nicely. And we're closing. We're turning off lights and closing the garage door. Thank you for watching this tour and exploring new options living in Minneapolis today. If you think you like this house or you know someone who may like this house, please contact me directly, and see you in my next tour.